What's up, riders? The electric dirt bike scene is absolutely exploding, and today, we're taking a look at a bike that's shaking up the entire segment. This is the Talaria X3, and it's making a bold claim to be the best electric dirt bike you can get for under $3,000. That's right, under $3,000. Does it deliver? Let's find out. First impressions? This bike is small, light, and looks ready to play. It's the little brother to the bigger Talaria Sting and the more well-known Sur-Ron Lightbee. But don't let its size fool you. It's built on a brand new, lightweight aluminum alloy frame that's both durable and nimble. One of the most interesting design choices is the battery placement. Unlike many competitors, the X3's battery is integrated into the frame, helping to distribute weight evenly and lower the center of gravity. This makes it feel incredibly balanced and easy to flick around. So, how does it ride? The power comes from an air-cooled DC IPM motor that provides a claimed peak power of up to 5.5 to 6.5 kilowatts, depending on the model year. But what those numbers don't tell you is how it feels. The instant, silent torque is addictive. From a dead stop, the X3 launches forward with a surprising amount of punch, making it a blast for carving up single track or just having fun in a field. The throttle is incredibly responsive, giving you the precise control you need for technical riding. Talaria says the X3 can hit a top speed of around 47 miles per hour, 75 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for the type of riding this bike is designed for. It's not meant for the MX track or huge jumps, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. It's a playful, confidence-inspiring machine that's perfect for city commuting, trail riding, and just general off-road shenanigans. Think of it less as a hardcore dirt bike and more as a pit bike on steroids. Now, let's talk about the range. The X3 is available with either a 25Ah or a 40Ah battery pack. The smaller 25Ah pack is rated for about 37 miles, 60 kilometers, while the 40Ah version can get you up to 50 miles, 80 kilometers, on a single charge. Of course, those are best-case scenarios. If you're riding hard in sport mode, expect those numbers to come down, but for most riders, the range is more than sufficient for a full day of fun. Charging is straightforward, taking around 3 to 4 hours with the included charger. The suspension on the X3 is also a key feature. It comes with a beefy inverted front fork and a monoshock rear suspension. While it might not have the complex linkage of its bigger brothers, it's more than capable of handling bumps, roots, and small jumps on the trail. The hydraulic disc brakes, with 4-piston calipers up front, provide strong and reliable stopping power, which is exactly what you need when you're riding a bike this fast and this light. So, how does it stack up against the competition, especially the Sur-Ron Lightbee X? The Sur-Ron has a massive aftermarket and a proven track record. But the Talaria X3 has one massive advantage: the price. With many online retailers listing the X3 for under $3,000, it's significantly more affordable than the Sur-Ron. While the X3 might be smaller and not as ideal for heavy-duty modifications or huge jumps, it offers incredible performance and features for the price. It's a perfect entry point into the world of electric dirt bikes without breaking the bank. Is the Talaria X3 the best electric dirt bike under $3,000? It's a strong contender. For the casual rider, the urban commuter, or the person who wants a fun, lightweight machine for local trails, the answer is a resounding yes. It delivers the thrills of a much bigger and more expensive bike in a nimble and accessible package. It's a testament to how far electric two-wheelers have come. What do you think of the Talaria X3? Is it the perfect electric dirt bike for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more electric vehicle reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching.